So hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the custom classifier from the Google Cloud Document AI plugin on Bubble. So first of all, the custom classifier is just to let you it lets you actually automatically label some documents. So for example, if you have different documents that you manually classify, you will be able by training a processor on Google to first you will have to train it, so you will upload the different types of document, label them, and once the processor is trained properly, you will be able to use it and send the documents, and they will send back the type of document it is. So we're gonna jump straight to the Google Cloud Console, on which we're gonna set up the processor and train it. So let's go. So we are now on Google Cloud Console on the project I created called Document AI. I'm here going under the menu Document AI, under processors, and here I will create a custom processor. I will select custom classifier, create a processor, and I'm gonna name it extractor custom. I'm gonna choose the European Union region, and I'm going to create it. Okay, it's just, oh no, sorry, it's classifier. Up, classifier, just remove the one. Okay, so the processor has been created. We're now going to train it. Okay, I'm gonna train. Here it is. So now we're going to be able to import the documents to train it and test the processor. So what you will have to do is you will have to go under cloud storage. You will have to upload them on it to be able to train with your files. So you can create a new bucket and then upload the different files. Okay, so we're just gonna go back. I already uploaded some documents in order to train the processor. So I'm just gonna go back to Document AI and to classifier custom. So there I'm going to import documents. I'm gonna choose the path. So here that's the document. The bucket I'm gonna use. So here that's invoice, but in French. So I'm just gonna select it and import it. And here you have two types here, either training or test. Here we are training, so we're just gonna select training and import them. Oh yeah, we have to create the label. So we have two labels. Here we're gonna have invoices and tickets. So I'm gonna first write invoice, and I'm gonna then write what's the name? Invoice and receipts. Sorry, receipts. So here I chose the invoice, so I'm just going to select the label invoice and I'm going to import it. My invoice has been imported. I'm going to import new documents for my receipts. So I'm going to browse others, tickets here, select, and I'm going to train them for receipt. Let's import it, and I'm just going to pause. So my training set has been uploaded. I'm now going to import new documents to test it. So I'm going to import some for invoices. So I'm going to take invoice test here. I have two here. So let's just select. And I'm going to test it and define them as invoice. So let's just wait for them to get uploaded. And now I'm going to do the same for the receipt. So let's see, import. Select, and I'm going to test them and label them as receipt. So now that I was able to upload, to import my training set and my test set, everything is ready to train this new version. So I'm just gonna go on train new version. You can see here that everything is ready to, that we are ready to train, and I'm just gonna name it version 1 and start. And now we're just gonna wait a few minutes for the version 1 to be ready. So this version is now ready. I'm going to go under the subtab manage version to be able to deploy the version and to define it as default. So just select it. So go under the tab manage version, select the new version, deploy it, and we will have to wait another few minutes or few seconds in order to be deployed. And right after that, we're gonna set this version as default. So our first version is now deployed. We're gonna set it as default, and after that, we will be able to use it on your Bubble app. Okay, so now it's set as default. We're going to go on the demo app. So under the custom classifier, you will be able to, so the actions are not set, they're just disabled, but you can go on the editor side and check the exact steps to implement it. So two important actions that you have to do before using the call custom classify. You will first have to retrieve the meme type of your document that you're going to send to Google. So the meme type is actually, if it is, for example, a PDF, PNG or whatever. So you have a free plugin that is available, so you can just check on the app. And then you will have to send the file as a base64 encoded. So you have another plugin, a free plugin that you can use that's gonna turn your file into that's gonna encode it into base64. And after that, you can just use the call processing custom classify. You will have different information to provide. Here, the location is the location of your processor. So if you go back to my processor, you go to custom classifier, to the name of your processor, you will have here the region. So you can just copy and paste it. The project ID, same here. You can just go here to your main page and copy the project ID, paste it here. The processor ID now. So going back to document AI, my processor. Okay, you can find the ID here. Just copy it on your page. And now, as I said, you have to send the meme type, which corresponds to this type of information, either application, PDF, image, GIF, etc., etc., and the base64 encoded. Here it is. So you're all set to use it on your app. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask a question directly on the page. You have here a crisp chat, so you can just send a message. Or if you need any more features on this plugin, just let me know. You also have like an interesting feature with this plugin is that you can enable and disable processor in order to reduce costs. So you can just have a look at it. It's very easy to implement. It's just I advise you to disable it when you're not using it, because it can cost a bit of money if you're just running it all the time. So you can just enable it whenever you need it. So thank you very much, and see you on the next video.